Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to save your Google Slides presentation to a USB flash drive. First, open your Google Slides presentation in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Once your presentation is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. Move your cursor down to Download. When you click on Download, you will see different file formats you can choose from. If you plan to edit the presentation later in Microsoft PowerPoint, choose Microsoft PowerPoint, which is the PPTX format. If you only need the file for viewing or sharing and do not need to edit it, choose PDF document. Click on the format you prefer. The file will begin downloading to your computer. Usually, it will be saved in your Downloads folder. Next, plug your USB flash drive into a USB port on your computer. Wait a few seconds until your computer recognizes the device. Now open your Downloads folder. If you are using Windows, open File Explorer and click on Downloads or the folder where you have downloaded the presentation. Locate the file you just downloaded. Click on it once to select it. Then right-click and choose Cut or Copy. Go to your USB drive in File Explorer or Finder. Open the USB drive folder. Right-click inside the folder and choose Paste. Wait for the file to finish copying before removing the USB drive. Thanks for watching.